35s, they ain't gonna pass 36s, 37s, 38s, 40s. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Q, you know who, back with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with your boy Q today. Guys, y'all see we got red behind me. Very looking good, finally got to clean it up. I'll be honest with y'all guys, I'm thinking about going 24x14s here. I don't know, once the truck is up running smooth, I think I want to try 24x14s. I don't know, I really want to see what the truck will look like, but we'll see. This is my 2015 S150 XLT on some 37 13.5s on 24x12s. So y'all see the stance right there. More motor LEDs, whole bunch of stuff down to the truck. But topic of today's video, as y'all saw in the title of the video, is what's going on in 2023 with the truck trends. And this is just my point of view, my perspective as to what I've been seeing. I went to Lone Star Throwdown earlier this year, and just stuff I'm seeing on Instagram, trends that I'm starting to notice for 2023. If you see my truck here, first thing we're going to point out is we're going to talk about black wheels. If you follow social media, guys, black wheels are basically dying, is what everyone is saying. Everybody is running either brushed or chrome or polished, excuse me. I'll just say chrome for the purpose of the videos. Most people are running chrome wheels nowadays. Black has basically seemed to die out for whatever reason. As you can see, I still have black on my truck, and I do think black looks pretty darn good, in my opinion still. My buddy has a 2014, 2018 on 24x14 American Forces, black on black. Beautiful truck, looks amazing. So to me, in my opinion, black wheels still have a place, but a lot of people are switched to chrome and brush. Right now, chrome is hot. I was talking to a guy at a dealership one day, and basically what he told me is, as soon as dealers start doing stuff like in the aftermarket world, for example, black wheel wasn't a thing, and people started getting custom black wheels. Soon as dealerships started offering black wheels, OEM on trucks and cars coming out, it's not popular anymore. People don't want it. That's number one. With that being said, let's continue to talk about color. Color is another thing. And when I say color, I'm basically talking about color match everything, bro. Everything now on a truck or build is color match. I'm talking from the tails to the heads to the suspension. Even now, some people are incorporating the freaking chrome wheels with the black side, the back side of it polished to the color of the truck. Everybody is color matching everything, bro. And so for me, if you want to put that into perspective, my headlights basically here would be red now interior. Get these color matched to match the color of the truck. If I got my tails done here, they would be basically painted red to match the color of the truck. Like basically color match everything. Hell, even your hitch. The hitch needs to be the color of the truck. That is where we're going now with looks of truck. Color match. It needs to be completely all the same color. Which to me, I kind of dig it, to be honest with you. Color matching is pretty dope. I like the color match. It gives the truck a very custom look. My favorite thing to see, honestly, I love to see painted matched taillights on a truck. They look really good to me, in my opinion, personally. Oh, and I forgot, the grill. Grill too. Everything needs to match. Basically, color match every part on your truck that can be color matched. Color match the whole thing, bro. For the next one, on my truck, I have 24x12s. Let me tell you right now, 26s are the new 24, guys. Everybody is now either going 26s, 28s, 30s. 24s are honestly kind of almost like how 22s used to be back in the day, and 20s, like they used to be big. 24s are now getting to considered small. So, but I mean, a lot of people still rock 24x14. It's like the most popular look, but just when I see it, 26s by 14s is basically the new wave, guys. So if you're looking to build your truck right now, 26s is very popular. If you get up to your show trucks and things like that, everybody's running 30s. That's 30s like the thing now, like the trucks on any level lifts and all that stuff. 30s. Everybody's running 30s. With the 26s, right? You're gonna have to put the 26s on something. 35s, they ain't gonna pass. 36s, 37s, 38s, 40s. That's what everybody is running nowadays. 37s are the new 35s. My guy Parker said that, and once he said that, I'm like, bro, you are absolutely right. Every person I know now who reaches out to me on Instagram always asks me about my 37s. My guy Blue Uni run 38s. I seen a lot of guys at LST running 40s, bro, on half-ton trucks, not 2500s or 250s, half-tons. 40s, people running 40s, bro. It's really insane. Just big wheels, big tires, that's the look. And along with that, not only are a lot of people running the 37s and the 38s and 36s. 36s to me is a good balance if you don't want to go 37s and 38s. Everybody's running 14.5 to 15.5 wide tires, bro, or even 16.5. I think I'm pretty sure I've seen the 16.5. So everybody's running super beefy, super wide tires. And I really like the 15.5 or 14.5, 15.5 look on tires, because it gives the tire in your truck like a nice square look, like a up and down square look. If you stretch a little bit, it gives more of a bubble look, but when you're like running 14.5, it's like boop, boop, gives the truck a really, really good appearance. And this next one kind of plays into everything I just said and what's going on. In order to run bigger wheels and bigger tires, for sure, especially stuff in 38s and 40s on trucks, you have to jack the truck up high. So what I'm seeing now, 10 to 12 inch lifts are like the new normal, bro. Like, you can say some 7 to 9. I've seen some people doing 7 to 9 lift kits, but most people now that I ran into are going 10 to 12, 10 to 12, 10 to 12, 10 to 12, just taller lift kits. And it just makes sense. If you're gonna run 38s, 40s, or 37, 24x14s, or 26x14s, you have to jack the truck up high. If not, you're gonna be rubbing. As you can see, I'm on a 6-inch lift, 37, 24x12s, and I can barely clip my 37s. You see that? So there's no way I can put 38s on 24x14s on this truck. Is gonna rub like crazy. I would have to raise the truck up. 10 to 12 inch lifts or 7 to 9 inch lifts is what I'm seeing. I had to turn my truck on, man. It almost died on me, dude. So besides people going super high, guys, low and wide is a trend that I'm really seeing. When I say low and wide, I'm saying like a reverse level. So basically, you just have a 2-inch leveling kit in the front. Basically, truck sits kind of like this, and with some 24x14s or 26x14s. That's the one I'm seeing the most, and honestly, that's the one for me. If I was to get a 2500, I think I would set it up like that, bro. That look to me like, you know, some street tires, like the rubber band tire look. That looks really good. Or you can go some 35s or 36s on some 24x12, 24x14s, or 26s, and just keep it level and low. Low and wide is what I like to call it. I'm pretty sure that's the way everybody else calls it, but just in case they don't. Low and wide. I think you would have probably less issues with fitting into certain places like garages and things like that. If you really don't want to worry about that, a leveling kit, bro, with some nice wheels and tires, good stance, you'll be perfect. The last thing I want to talk about I'm seeing, guys, are, I call them cow hoods. The performance hoods, or the hood where hopefully I get some pictures. I'm gonna reach out to some guys. Hopefully they'll let me use their pictures in this video. Either the cow hood or custom basically hood where it has the big, I think there's a name for it. It starts with an S. Y'all seen him, my guy Carlos had one of his. It's the hood where it's the hump in the middle going to the back, or the hood where the slit is in the front. One of the two. I'm seeing a lot of people run those hoods now. That's like the thing, bro. How tow mirrors kind of was the thing, and tow mirrors still are. Those aftermarket hoods that I've talked about, they're really starting to like make an impact, and it really changed the look of a truck. I've seen about 3 people I know for sure running them, and it does give the truck like a bigger, beefier, more aggressive look, I will say. Those are the things I'm seeing. Comment below what you're seeing as far as trends in 2023 and going forward. Of course, I didn't mention rock lights and wheel lights. Those kind of came on 2022, 2021. Everybody kind of has those nowadays, so I didn't mention it here. But yes, rocks and wheel lights are always kind of like the thing too. Anyway, that's all I got. It's your boy Q. I'll catch y'all next one. Say bye, Red. Bye, girl. All right, peace.